2021 to 2024 center console USB charger port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2022 Toyota Tacoma, but this will work for other Tacomas. Now, if you're here for this USB port right here, I have a video already on how to replace this one, but today we're just doing the one in the center console, which is right here. This has a USB and a USB-C connector. Right down there. Now, first thing you want to do is get yourself a blue plastic interior tool. I'm going to link it below. They're only like $5, and it'll help prevent scratching the inside of here or breaking the plastic. Now, we're going to go in from the side here, and we're going to push this kind of between the center console and the USB port. When you get it in there, just kind of twist it to pry it open a little bit, and then you want to come in from the other side. And it's going to be kind of harder because it's kind of pressing on that side right now, but you're going to do the same thing. Kind of just push this guy in between there, and then it should pop out a little bit, enough to where you can get your fingertips on it, and then you're just going to wiggle it and pull it straight forward, and it should come out. There is one connector on there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the connector. There's a little thumb button you push that little thumb tab button down and then pull the connector outwards, or you can pull the USB forwards, but don't pull on the wires because you'll damage the wires and you'll have some other problems after that. But here is the USB port right here. This is sold as a unit. Let's go ahead and get the part number. There's a sticker on the back. The part number is right here. It is 85532-08050. Currently, these are not available on Amazon. Probably within the next 6 months or a year, they'll be posted on here, and they'll probably be aftermarket ones. But as of right now, you can only get them at a Toyota parts dealer website, and they're kind of pricey, so hopefully the aftermarket ones pop up soon. All right, so when you get your new one, we're just going to take it and plug this connector into the new one. Try not to let that connector fall into the hole. Once you get that connected, it should kind of snap in place. Then you just line this up and then push it straight in like this, and then that's it. It'll lock into place and you're good to go. All right, hopefully this video helped you out. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.